Good morning. Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today's Daily Tidbit is all about name recognition. Do you have the name recognition you need or want in your business? Do you have that place you can go to where you walk in and everybody's like, hey, so-and-so? The show Cheers, and yes, I am that old, definitely had it right when they said, you want to go where everybody knows your name. In our industry, there are so many secret agents, but that actually is your power. That's what's going to set you aside from those thousands of other agents. Today's challenge is to take your average from yesterday and every day previous, however many people you normally got in front of, and let's multiply it by like 10. So in the comments below, let me know how many people you used to stay in front of and how many people you actually got in front of today. The thing about this is, it's not a short-term play, and it's never gonna stop. It's gonna take 3 to 6 months to really build your name. And then from there, it's gonna keep paying you back for the rest of the time you're in business and decide to retire, if you decide to retire. All right, so let me know how many you used to and how many you did as of today, and we're gonna keep this going. Keep it updated and be excited that you're no longer gonna be the secret agent and everybody is gonna know your name. Have an awesome day. In business, there are so many secret agents, and that is your prime opportunity. This is killing me, people. Good morning. Josh Ezel with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. I hope you have a